Okay, here we have a 2006 YFZ 450. I was having some starting issues. First, it was the battery. Went ahead and changed out the battery and the solenoid, so it turned it over very strong. But it came across another issue. Uh, when you started, it sounded like it wasn't getting the proper fuel. But I took the carb off, cleaned it. Um, the fuel flows fine. Uh, Let me show you guys what it does. I don't know what the issue is. It just doesn't want to crank up. It turns over pretty fine. I don't know what the issue be. Could be. Can anybody help me out?